Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back, and we're going to be unboxing The Ordinary's Niacinamide 10% with zinc 1%. This is a high strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula meant to help you, even out your skin tone. This is what the packaging looks like. We're going to go ahead and open it up. This is what you get once you open the box. Once you slide that bad boy out. This is what it looks like. Pretty good size in comparison to the other Ordinary products. It's about the same size. Just for size comparison, I just unboxed Good Molecules and it's half the size, which was a little disappointing. So this is a good size. Let's go ahead and open it up. Good dropper. Good size dropper. Liquid is clear. And that's the Niacinamide.